Hello guys, this is another video from Mr. Tutor, and today we're going to be doing the simultaneous equations again. We're going to carry on simultaneous equations to today's second example, which is going to be a slightly harder example, including graphs, and it's going to be the linear graphs, including. So the first question where we can get is solve these simultaneous equations by drawing graphs of 2x plus 3y equals to 6 and 4x minus 6y equals to minus 4. So in this case, we can just straight away go and put the x and y values to 0 and calculate the points in the graph, or we can literally just solve it like that. Okay, it might tell you to interpret these information that you get on the graph when you get them, or it can just simply tell you to just just do it like that. But in this case, I'm going to tell you both of them. I'm going to show you how to do it when it's not without a graph, and I'm going to show you how you have to do it with a graph. So this is our equation: 2x plus 3y equals to 6, and our second line of equation is 4x minus 6y equals to minus 4. So we can either eliminate the x or y value, but in this case, I want to eliminate the y value. Okay, I'm going to eliminate the y value. Alright, but in this case, it's kind of strange because if you times the top value by 4, okay, when eliminating the x value, and times the top bottom value by 2, we still get 12y, and we still get like the same numbers for the x and y value. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so in this case, let me for example, I'm going to minus the x value, right? So when we times the top value by 4, when we times this whole thing, because as I told you, we have to times this top value by 4 and the bottom value by 2. Therefore, when we times this top value by 4, we're going to get 8x, and then when we times it by 2, we get 8x. So we can minus the x value. But when we times the top value by 4, we get 12y, and the bottom value by 2, we also get 12y, so we can also eliminate the y value. So in this case, we can eliminate the x or the y value. It doesn't have to be specific values. So in this case, oops, sorry guys. So let me show you how to do it then. So that's how you do it, right? And then what we get is we get 8x plus 12y equals 24, and we get 8x minus 12y equals to minus 8. Okay, so let's just minus the y values then. Let's just add the y values and to get 0. So we add these two y values together, we get 12y plus minus 12y, plus and minus join together to get minus. So 12y minus 12y, which is 0. So it's 16x equals to 24 plus minus 8, which is equal to 16. Alright, so it's 16x plus 16. X is equal to 16 divided by 16, because we bring this 16 on this side here, and that's equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So we get this again, we get our equation, and we can see when we already know the x value, we know x is equal to 1, and y is equal to 8 times 1 plus 12y equals to 24. So when we get this value here, we get 12y then equals to 24. We bring it to this side here, so we get 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8, right, is 16. So 12y is equal to 16. Y is then equal to 16 divided by 12, when y is equal to 1.3 reoccurring. So that's how we get our values. So we get our values: x is equal to 1, and y is equal to 1.33333 reoccurring. So that's how you do it with a simple, algebraic method. But we can do it with the linear graphs as well. Okay, we can cover certain values up. We can say, okay, so when x is 0 here, y is equal to 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2. So the value is going to be x is going to be 0, so it's 0, coordinates 0 and 2. So it can be 0 to 2. And y is equal to 0. We cover up the y, we make it 0, so it's 2x equals to 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So it's 2 times 3, which is 6. So it's 3 and 0. Coordinates 3 and 0. Where x on the first equation, x is equal to 0, and y is equal to 2. And then the second bit is x is equal to 3 and y equals to 0. Then we get our graph. The orange line is the one that we just found. This one here is the line we just found. So let's go back to it. X is equal to 0, y equals to 2. X is equal to 0, which is here. Y equals to 2. So we put our x here, and x is equal to 3. Y equals to 0, put our x here. We join these points together, and we get our values there. Now we know x equal to x is equal to
Welcome to voiceover.
Well, x equal to
Welcome to
when x is equal to, sorry about that, guys. When x is equal to certain values. Now we know that we join the line here. But now, you might be wondering, where the hell does this line come from here, right? Where the hell does this line come from here? So let me tell you about that one. All right, let me tell you. All right, it's very simple. It's very simple. I keep doing this. I don't know why I'm doing this, but anyway, I keep doing that. Anyway, so if you look at the question very carefully again, right? Look at the question very carefully. Observe the question, right? Observe it. We can just see that we only covered using the cover up method for this top equation, but not the second equation. Okay, we already know x is equal to 1. Okay, so what we do is we do 4 times 1, which is 4. So x is equal to minus 4 divided by 4, right? And it's going to be minus 1, which is right here. Okay, so x is equal to 0. When we do this one here, it's going to be x equal to minus 1 and y equals to 0. Okay, so when we do this equation here, and now for the y value, right, when y equals to 0, it's going to, I just done y equals to 0, right? Yeah, sorry. When x is equal to 0, right, it's going to be 6y equals to minus 4, and it's going to be minus 4 divided by 6, and we're going to get our point somewhere here. And when these two lines cross, when these two lines meet or intersect, as we can say, we can see that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to, so we can see then that x is equal to 1. Well, these two lines intersect. We can see x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1.33 or 1.3. Okay, there's usually going to be a range in the exam, so that you don't have to worry about that. I find this bit here a bit confusing, but I find this longer method here a bit easier. But in the exam, I might tell you to do the line graph bit, so you have to make sure you know how to do this, right? So first step, you have to use the cover up method to find when x is equal to 0, what is y, and when y equal to 0, what is x. So we do that. We put the points on the graph here, the orange line. Right, and you have to label them. You have to label this bit here. So, for example, here we put an arrow here, the coordinates beside it, and we do the same thing for here, and then we plot the points here, and then when these two lines intersect, that's our coordinates for the solutions. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends or any people like that don't understand this one. So I might be doing another one on simultaneous equations, but I guess you people out there now that you understand the general trend of simultaneous equations. If you still don't understand anything, then just please leave comments down below, and I will try and do my best to do another video explaining simultaneous equations more clearly and better. If you didn't understand any specific thing in this example here. So anyway, then I will also try and reply to your comments as well if you don't understand anything. But anyway, guys, just subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thank you guys. Bye.